Today we are going to learn about phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with either a preposition or an adverb that changes the meaning of the original verb. For example, turn plus on is equal to turn on, meaning to activate something. By structure, there are three types of phrasal verbs. Pick up is the first word. In this word, we have combined verb plus adverb to make one phrasal verb. I will pick you up at 5 p.m. The woman is picking up the clutter. Look at this is the second word. In this example, we have combined verb plus preposition to make one phrasal verb. Look at that beautiful painting. Look at the time. So in these both examples, we have combined verb plus preposition. Get along with is another phrasal verb. In this, we have combined verb plus adverb plus preposition to make one phrasal verb. I get along with my colleagues very well. This is the example. Give up is another phrasal verb. It means to stop trying or quit. Don't give up on your dreams. Next phrasal verb is think about. To consider something, it means, and I need to think about your offer before I decide is the example. Run out of. This phrasal verb means to use all of something, leaving none left. We have run out of milk. Can you grab some from the store? This is the example sentence. We have covered what phrasal verbs are, how they are formed, and how to remember them. Keep practicing and soon you will be using them just like a native speaker. Thanks for watching.